This is the Traeger Century 22. It's a model you could buy at Costco for the last several years. Today we're going to do an upgrade that adds a folding shelf. This upgrade is compatible with any of the 22 series models. So the only tool you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. I'm using a number 2, and we're going to remove 2 existing screws on either side of the drum. So I'm just going to do that really quick. We're going to keep these because we're going to reuse them. Okay, so we've got the original screws off the drum. Now I'm going to take one of 2 brackets. They're marked. This one says right, and the other one says left, obviously. And I'm going to place it like this. I'm going to use my existing screws that I took off to just screw them in. And then we'll tighten them up. We've repeated the process of taking the screws out and adding the bracket on the left hand side. Now we're ready to mount the shelf. So with the 4 supplied screws, you can put those in the top position of both brackets before you hang the shelf. And then all you're going to need to do is add the screw on the bottom on each side. So we're all in place. You can see the shelf folded out. While you're cooking, you're going to have a lot more space to work. We'll have some rubs or plates or utensils. And if you want to cover your Traeger, you can fold it down. The cover should still fit over it. So pretty cool little upgrade, super simple. Subscribe to my channel below for more backyard and automotive DIY videos.